Hi, I'm Jeremy, Customer Success Manager at TownWeb. In this video, we're going to look at how to upload minutes and agendas to your meeting repository. Let's get started. Now we're going to navigate to the left side of our dashboard and click on the top button here, Upload Minutes and Agendas, which will open the Create Meeting Repository window. The first thing we'll do here is name our meeting. This name is visible only to yourself, only internally. So the public cannot see that. We'll choose a date for the meeting and then categorize it. This is a town board meeting, so we'll call it that. Now we navigate down to the document section where we can upload our agenda. We can upload either a PDF or a Word document from our computer. PDF is preferable because it's accessible with free software and it's more difficult to change. If you have multiple documents, for instance, for a planning commission meeting, you might have maps and photos of things of that nature. You can create a zip file and upload the zip file here to Agenda Packet. And meeting minutes is the same as the agendas where it's PDF or docs. Below that, external websites. If you're using audio or video recording to make your meetings available to your public, you can add the link to those videos here, YouTube for video or SoundCloud for audio. And below that we'll find notes where we can add something that is visible to the public. So for instance, if it's out of the ordinary, like a special board meeting, we can make that note here. And lastly, we'll go to the very bottom where we can either cancel and close this window, or we can click Save Meeting Repository, which is red because it will publish immediately, which is what we're going to do. Now, once you've saved the meeting, it will take you automatically to the meeting repository list for all the files, all the meeting repositories that you've previously created. So you'll note here that I have two board meetings that look identical. They're both on the 28th of November. I don't want that. So what I'm going to do is navigate to the right and click Delete. And you'll see I also can modify that if I wanted to change something about it, but I want to delete that one. And it's going to delete it, and now I only have one. You'll also note that it shows one subscriber. So it shows you at the time of the posting of the agenda or the creation of the meeting repository, how many people were subscribed to receive alerts about meeting repositories at that time. Thanks for watching. If you have any other questions or concerns, please contact our support team at support@townweb.com or via phone or directly through your dashboard by clicking Create a Support Ticket. Thank you.